served out. Talia hit out on that one. 2 errors for us, 2 points for Nova Scotia. Oh, Nova Scotia served under the net, Point Park. Shout out to Alex, doing our scorekeeping. Nice swing by Audrey, back row. Good job. Serving error, out. Melissa. Nice swing by Talia, they have it up. 3-balled out, Point Park. Melissa's the photographer. Shout out to Melissa, right there, taking some awesome action shots. A huge shout out to her. We've gotten such huge compliments and great feedback about our social media posts. Great job, Abby. To Hannah, sets London, who tips. Tipped out. Another error on our part. I think 4 errors on us. Let's clean those up, girls. Error. This right now is kind of a game of errors. So hopefully they just make more errors than we do. Actually, no. Oh my. Served into the net by us. I'd love to get Ryan's face. So far he's calm. It's cool. But I'm thinking, let's earn some points here, girls. Oh, they were on the net. So we got no earned point for us, but London serve. Oh, their error couldn't get over the net. Let's go, London. Whoops. Nice serve. They got it up. Nice up by Michaela. Back, oh, London, Hope. Fumbled that one. Our error. Trying to think if we've had a kill. I think 1 maybe? Oh, their poor Nova Scotia can't get their serves over this morning. Let's go, Emma! All right. Yes! Big block by Audrey and Abby. London. Passes to Hannah. Sets Audrey for a big swing, but they got that up. Here comes their swing. It's out. Another error on their part. Oh, I like their girl in the corner there with their flag wrapped around them. Audrey passes to Hannah. Set Abby was blocked. Great step though. Called us on double contact. Another error. London, I think, is going to ask who it was on. Ball. I think we've now gone all the way around our rotation. We're only at 11 points and 7 for serve. Michaela puts it up for Audrey. Tips it, but they got it up. Back row, roll shot. Michaela took it. Hannah gets there. Sets Audrey. Nice, great job, Talia. Way to be there. Good try by their lid. We have a sub coming in for Nova Scotia. I just like saying that. Never been there. Ryan's been there a couple times with club volleyball. When he coached, oh no, that's New Brunswick, I think. I don't know, Moncton is where he went. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's New Brunswick. Oh, he was in Nova Scotia. I forget what city though. Yes, Abby with a great party ball. Yes, great. Nice serve by Hannah. They have it up. Oh, called them up. Great shot by Abby, way to be ready. They were called on the net beforehand, but I love that the girls just keep playing. There's so many whistles that I've been telling them, at least I think Ryan's been telling them, just keep playing until they know the whistle's been blown hard. We had an instance yesterday, served out, where a girl caught the ball thinking that the whistle had been blown. It was on the other team, so it actually helped us. London, pass to Hannah. Sets Audrey from right side, off their block, but they have it up. Oh, Hannah took that. London helps it. Talia with a tip out of left side. Oh. Audrey right side. I think Audrey's playing right side this set. Whoops. And Talia's playing left side. No, just joking. That was just for that rotation when they're there. Audrey passes to Hannah. Talia with a great right side swing. There we go. Audrey serve. Michaela passes to Hannah. Oh, good try. Tried to set Abby in the middle there. In the middle there. We're going to do a real big shout out to seriously all of our parents. A bunch of them had to take time off work today. Edmonton public schools don't have school today or tomorrow. So some had the day off. Good job, Abby to London. Audrey back row, great job. Nice swing, Audrey. Good job, girls. Timeout, Nova Scotia. But here's, like, look at our fans. We've got Melissa, our photographer over there. Oh yeah, she is the one that put together and designed all the cool photos from our media day that she did for our girls. The girls had so much fun. They were only going to take a half hour to do it and ended up doing a full 2 hours of photos together. There's some really fun ones. Keep an eye on your social media. I'm sure girls will be posting them. But love how she's put together a bunch of stuff for us. They're down from White Court. And then we got some Rhino parents over there cheering us on. We've got a grandma and a great grandma. Shout out to Emma's grandma and great grandma that are here. That is super cool. I think she said her mom, but she honestly looks like a sister, so I could be wrong. Yes, Talia! And then yeah, we've got more grandparents. We got Ro over there. That's Abby's boyfriend. Oh, look at that smile as he watches her serve. That is seriously the cutest. Nice serve by Abby. London with a tip. Nice. They're calling it in. Their linesman called it out, but both officials called it in. Yeah, so over there we've got grandparents, parents, boyfriends. Good try. And then down in that back corner we've got like grandpas, dads, sisters, aunts, cousins, more grandparents. Michaela gets it up. Hannah gets there, puts it up for London. Good try. Hard one to get at. And over here, we've got more siblings and parents. We honestly have the best family groups, which makes sense. Yes, good job. So we really have fantastic girls. They all just mesh so well. They're all so different and yet bring out the best in each other, both on and off the court. Oh, good try. That one was out. Good swing by Nova Scotia, though. Got Talia back to serve for possible set point. Oh, shouldn't have said anything. I'm sure I'll hear from Ryan about how many errors we had this set. There's Audrey, passes to Hannah. Yes, Emma! Shoot! That was a great swing. Look at Emma's smile. Big block for Nova Scotia. Okay, girls, no more. Side out here, girls. Oh. First set goes to Park. To Park, 25-14. Ooh, sorry. Just getting the legs spread out there. Aw, shout out to this lady here. She's a Rhinos grandparent, but she knows the Rhinos and Park are close. And so whenever we're at the same tournaments and premiers, she makes out to quite a few of our games to support our girls too. And just happens our grandkids are also the same ages as our other two. So we've seen her a lot this year between U13, 15, and 17. And every time she asks how the girls are doing and cheers for Park when we're not with the Rhinos. Actually, we've played the Rhinos once this year. Oh no, twice. Yeah, we played them twice between all our girls, and it was at the U17 level. I think it was Premier 3. We played them. And then in provincials, I think we played them in our power pool. I'm really liking those bright blue jerseys over there. All us moms have been talking how one of our favorite things coming here is A, not playing teams from Alberta. We love playing different teams. And B, seeing all the jerseys. Our jerseys are just black, gray, and white. We'd love to spice them up somehow. All right, starting second set, we have Ruth 9 middle, Abby 15 middle, Peyton 10 setter, Paige 1 right side, Michaela 11 lib, Kylie 16 left side, Sloan 3 left side. So the girls have to come on and get their rotation checked, and then our lib can come on for our middle. There, Michaela goes on for Ruth in back row. So Michaela as our lib only plays back row. She is not allowed to swing on a ball in front row. Paige, oh, good try. Paige put one over and they put it right down on our side. Open spot. First point, Nova Scotia. Kylie, Michaela steps in. She's kind of like our backup setter if our setter takes the first ball or can't get there. She passes it up, puts it up for our girls. Peyton set Paige, right side. Ooh, their left side, great dig by Michaela. Peyton set slow for a great kill by from left side. You're good. There you go. People are trying not to go in front of me. Nice job by Abby at the middle there. We got Peyton back to serve. Nice serve. Oh, they got it up and over. Kylie's there. Passes to Peyton. Set Sloan left side for a kill. We got Peyton back to serve again. Nice serve, Peyton. Off our block. Michaela tried to get up into the net. Oh, shoot. Number 12 just got hit in the back of the head with a serve. There's actually been girls.
Won the first one.
We did.
Thanks.
Yes. How's Kelsey doing? How are they
They
doing?
won their first one too.
Oh,
so,
nice.
Yep.
When do they play? Probably same. Are they? When do they play next? Though?
It's actually time for you guys.
Okay, I was
Yeah.
thinking that. Okay.
Yeah, I think noon's the next game. Or 12.
Yeah, 12.
Something, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, good
When
luck.
it was exciting, so like, I just should have known that we had that shit. Oh, he's not here before either. Perfect.
Yeah, not today. I'll be back at work tomorrow. So,
Oh.
yeah.
You could probably make it for 7:30 and then go.
I know.
I think I missed a point. We have Dad. Oh, good try. From Sass. Oh, I think I. Did I miss the right? Nope, accidentally gave us the point. So it's tied 4-4. But that dad is also London's math teacher. And so all the Sherwood Park girls on the team are missing school today and tomorrow for nationals. And some had to miss. Nice up by them. Yes, Paige! Well done, Paige! But some missed a day as well for track. So there's it's been a lot of school miss, which gets harder as these girls get into 30 level courses. Abby puts it up for Peyton. Sets Kylie left side. Yes! Great swing by Kylie. Nice set, Peyton! We got Abby back to serve. Oh, nice block by Paige. Here comes their middle. Oh, great spot. I ain't noticed if they switched their players for second set. I was going to say this group of Nova Scotia girls, this set seem more awake. I mean that in a nice way. They're trying to swing on things. Good try by their middle there. Got Paige back to serve again. Oh, couldn't be returned.